Hello everyone, this is Minakshi and today I'm taking Maths of class 7th lesson number 6 simple equations part 2. In first part I have taken the introduction. Now in second part I am going to explain you that how to convert a statement into a equation and how to convert a equation into a statement. It means in this part we are going to see how to form a simple equation by using a statement. So convert statement to equation. So a statement is given, we have to convert that statement to equation. So the first it is given, what number must be added to 13 to get 25? So it is given, what number must be added to 13 to get 25? So that number which we have to add with the 13 to get 25, we will take that number as x, as we have to form the state equation by using this statement. So we will take that number as x. So in answer, let x be a number. So we will take that number which we are going to add with 13 as x. Now that x which we have taken a number, that x will be added to 13 to get 25. It means the equation will become x plus 13 equals to 25. So this is how we have to form a equation when a statement is given. Then the next statement, it is given as 1/3 of x is 14 more than 7. 1/3 of x, and 1/3 of x means 1 by 3 of x, we can say. Yes, so here we can write it as 1/3. 1/3 means 1 by 3 of x. So 1/3 of x is 14 more than 7, and if it is given 14 more than 7 means we will add 7 to 14, and therefore the equation is 1 3 by x equals to 14 plus 7, as it is given 1/3 of x is means we will take equal to 1/3 of x means 1 by 3 of x is means equal to 14 more than 7, and 14 is more than 7 means we will write 7 plus 14. So our equation will be x by 3 equals to 7 plus 14. 1/3 of x can be written as x by 3. That's why I have written here x by 3 equals to 7 plus 14. Then the next equation it is given, next statement it is given, twice Jaya's age is 44. So twice Jaya's age. So what twice Jaya's age is 14, so that we will take Jaya's age as x, because twice Jaya's age it is given means that age of Jaya we will take as a x, then the twice of x is 14. So we will take, let Jaya's age be x. Now we have taken the age of Jaya as x because we don't know what is the age of Jaya, and it is given that twice Jaya's age is 44. It means 2 into x. Twice x means 2 into x, that is 2 times of x. So we will write it twice x means 2x is 14, and is means here equal to, therefore the equation will be 2x equals to 44. Then the next statement it is given, fourth, 30 subtracted from 5 times a number is 85. So what is given here? 30 subtracted from 5 times a number. 5 times a number. So a number that we will take it as a x. So that is, let a number be x. Now this equation will become, according to the statement, 5 times a number subtracted from 30. What is given is 30 is subtracted from this number. So 5 times a number and a number we have taken as an x, means 5x minus 30, because 30 we have to subtract from 5 times a number. That's why we will write 5x first. Then 5x minus 30 is 85. Then the equation will become 5x minus 30 equals to 85. Then the next statement it is given, 1/4 a number subtracted from 42 is 12. 1/4 of a number, 1/4 means 1 by 4 of a number. So of a number means that number we will take it as a x, and 1/4 means 1/4 means 1 by 4 of a number, and that number we will take x means 1/4 of x, which can be written as x by 4, because 1 into x will be x, so that is x by 4. So what is given here, 1/4 of a number subtracted from 42, means this number we have to subtract from 42, means 42 minus x by 4 is 12. According to the statement, that is 1/4 of a number subtracted from 42 is 12. Therefore, the equation will be 42 minus x by 4 equals to 2. Sorry, I have written here 2, but it is a 12. Next, the statement it is given, the difference of twice a number and 3 times a second number b is 15. So what is given here? The difference means subtraction. So here the difference of twice a number. So twice a number. So twice a number means 2 into a number. So a number that we will take as a x, twice a number, and thrice means 3 times second number. So here if we have taken one first number as a x, then we will take the second number as y. Okay, then what is given, the difference of twice a number and thrice a number, or thrice a 3 times a second number is 15, and the difference means the subtraction. So it means 2x minus 3y, as we have taken second number as y, is equals to 15. Therefore, our equation will become 2x minus 3y equals to 15. Next, convert equation to statement. So I think now you have understood that how to convert a statement to equation. Now we are going to see how to convert a equation to statement. So the first equation it is given, x plus 8 equals to 11. So what is given in this equation? X added to 8 to get 11. So we can say here 8 added to a number. So we will say this x as a number. 8 added to a number is 11. So the statement will be 8 added to a number is 11. Then the next equation it is given, 4x plus 6 equals to 13. So here we can say 6 added to 4 times a number. X is a number, so that is 6 added to 4 times a number is 13. So our statement will be 6 added to 4 times a number is 13. Then the next equation it is given, x minus y is equals to 15. So here x is a one number and y is another number. So we can say the difference between two numbers. Yes, the difference between two numbers is 15. So here the statement can be written as the difference between two number is 15, or a difference of two number is 15. You can write here, if one number is subtracted from other number is 15, that can be also written as a statement. You can write in a other form also. It is not required to write how I told, but the statement should be suitable with the equation. Okay. Then the next equation, it is given 3x plus 9 equals to 20. So what is given in this equation? 9 added to 3 times a number is 20, or we can say add 9 to 3 times a number to get 20. Both statement can be suitable for this equation. So here we can write add 9 to 3 times a number to get 20. Then the next equation, it is given 25 minus x by 2 equals to 5. So here x by 2 means it is 1 by 2 into x, and 1 by 2 into x means we can say it is a half. 1 by 2 means half. Here it can be x by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 into x, because 1 by 2 into x is equals to x by 2. We can call it as a half of x. So here we can see half of x, or half of a number x, we can consider it as a number. Half of a number is subtracted from 25 is 5. So this will be the statement for the given equation, that is half of a number is subtracted from 25 is 5. Then the next, it is given, that is 5 5x divided by 7 equals to 23. This is the expression, this is the equation, and we can write in the form of statement as 5 times x means 5 times a number divided by 7 is 23. So here 5 times a number divided by 7 is 23. So this is how we have to convert a equation in the form of statement. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you have understand that how to convert the equation into statement and a statement into a equation. So please do like, subscribe and share to my channel.